All right, it is loud here on site, but want to provide an update of how this project is coming along. We just got the third container installed. It's the one on the far right, and we're in the process of installing container number 4. It's going to be the second part of the garage. So they got it craned up in the air. There's a few minor things we have to do to it in order to prepare it to be connected to this other container. Just going to walk over here and show you what's going on. So this is a 20-foot high cube container. It's got 2 garage roll-up doors on the end, so it's going to be functioning as a garage for UTVs. It's got a rooftop deck up top, and this will be getting connected right here to the other half, which is essentially the other half of the container, or I'm sorry, the other half of the garage. So another 20-foot high cube, and you can see right there, that is actually an entry door that goes into the home. So this will be functioning as the garage door, and this is an additional entrance into the garage from the exterior. So it's coming along well. We're going to be welding these together. So we're going to be adding some steel right in here to connect the 2 containers, and then eventually to close out right here where it touches on this container. We also have reinforcement that's going to get added in between. So basically going up right here and going across and then back down with an additional post right here going up. So it's going to be really cool putting this all together. I'm going to step back just to give you some different views. You can really see how it's starting to come to life here now. So there it is. 3 containers are installed. Got the rooftop deck railing popped up there, and the next container is about to go down.